Isera ria mucirithania munene wa igooti Tugiru kaunti-ini ya Nakuru Martha Koome ribete mwiboko aikari ma gicigo giki thutha wa kurugurio kwa igooti ria gũcokia macira riko niguo kureta motungata ma kwetha kiboto bakubi na aikari.
Expansive Rift Valley, running from Turkana to the north of Narok County to the south, will no longer have to travel either to Nairobi or to Nyeri to wait for the Court of Appeal circuit visits. They have their court right here. As the lawyers say, they'll just be leaving the High Court to go next door to the Court of Appeal.
Igooti riri riakitwo bakubi na igooti ria Nakuru. Koome ogete unyitaniri wa rubonge rwa igoti na thirikari cia county ni gutigirira ati macira mategaikarithagia matatueto akirira ati ona icigo cia ubunge iria itari no tungata uyu ni igukinyerio icaine ikubi.
The trend of excellence in service delivery that has been set here by the other courts, you will follow suit. We are keen to work with all of you to support the judges led by your leadership in realizing the target of ensuring that appeals that are now pending in the Court of Appeal are concluded within a period of 1 year.
Launch today is yet another milestone and an illustration of our continued progress under your leadership towards being an independent institution of excellence in the delivery of justice and in creating jurisprudence that is as good, if not better, than anywhere else.
Niguo kunyibiria mwingi thabari wa kuthii kwetha kiboto, gavana wa Nakuru Susan Kihika ni abianite gicunje kia mugunda wa gwako magoti matura-ini maria aikari makoretwo makiboyo tungata uyu umakinyire kwa ibinda iraya.
We shall continue to collaborate with the judiciary to ensure we bring justice closer to our people. In that regard, Nakuru shall provide pieces of land at Oleguroni and Solai areas to enable the judiciary to put up court facilities as previously requested.
Niguo kunyibia mugiginyano wa macira igoti-ini rubonge rwa ucirithania rugite ni rukuongerera acirithania magoti-ini matiganite niguo gutengeria mibango ya matua ma igoti na kwigucia kwa mitaratara ya igoti. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Jetago Masi, Wadia wa Muriithi.